Jack's a good one. Let's start with his head. I'll start at the top, and we're gonna come all the way down like this to a little pointy bit there, and that will be his chin. Alright, and now what we're gonna do is continue over here, and we're gonna move the head all the way down like this, and we're gonna stop right about there, because I think we're gonna give Jack a little wave. So now we can draw in his ears. He's got some big old ears which are nice and fun. Maybe a little curve there just to emphasize the ears. The same on this side. There we go, looking good. Very nice. And now what we're gonna do is draw Jack's hair. He's got that funny pointy hair going all the way up like that. Very nice, this is looking nice. Alright, now Jack's got a neck there, right about there, a little bit of neck. And then he's got his outfit. So his outfit is a onesie, isn't it? It's a onesie that turns into a super outfit. So that's his little neck bit there. And we'll bring his outfit belly down all the way around here, just like that. That's looking good. And now we're gonna draw his other arm right about here. This coming up like that. There we go. And now we're gonna draw his hand. Let's draw his hand right about here. He's got those nice little baby hands, doesn't he? One, there for his thumb. And then we'll do this. 2, 3, 4, and 5 for his pinky finger. I'll finish his hand off like that. Looking good, everybody. There we go. Now what we're gonna do is draw his first leg right about here. We'll have him sitting. Jack's sitting in his onesie. There we go, here's his foot. Looking very nice, everybody. All coming around like that. And then we're gonna draw his other leg like this, right about here. And his foot will come up like this, right there. Just like that. And then we'll continue him around for his bum, right around there. Right on up. And now we can draw the pads on his feet, right here. And the other one can come right around like that. Looking good. And then we're gonna draw a little hand here. So his elbow is there. We're gonna do this here with his arm. That's his sleeve end. And we're gonna come around like this and join the arm up there to his shoulder here. Looking good, and now we can continue finishing the face off right about there. Alright, and we'll give his hand a little wavy bit, just like this for his thumb. And we'll give him some fingers around like this. Curvy bits like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 5. And we'll bring his hand down like this and join it on up like that. Looking good, everybody. Jack's coming together, isn't he? Now we can draw his mask. His mask is always a lot of fun. We'll come around like this all the way, almost takes up half of his face, just like that. And then back around like this. Here we go, we'll match it on all up like that. Looking nice. And he's got a cute little button nose, doesn't he? Just like that. And a big old smile. Big old happy smile like that. And let's open his mouth up even more. There we go. Give him a bit of a tongue here. Lots of fun. A couple of the cheeks. Alrighty, here we go. Now for his eyes. Big old eyes. 1 and 2, just like this. Very, very good, everybody. And he's got his big pupils. Here we go. Just like that. With a bit of a highlight here and a highlight there. And we'll round off just like this. Very good, everybody. Little squiggly on his outfit here. A little cuff there and there. Looking nice, everybody. I think we might be done. Time for color. Light skin color. Red for his outfit. Black for his mask, the soles of his feet and his cuffs. A nice pink tongue. And blue eyes. And brown hair. Thanks, everyone.